Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to auto translate YouTube video in any language or your language. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our video, and then you see subtitle or closed caption. So first enable this option. Now you see auto translate, and then you see setting icon. So click on it. Now you see subtitle or closed caption English auto generated. Now click on it. Now you see auto translate, and then you see multiple languages. Now you see African, Arabic, Armenian. You see multiple language, so you can select language for auto translate, for subtitle according to your requirement. Now you see multiple language, so we are going to select French. Now click on it. Now you see subtitle or closed caption convert into French language. Again click on it. Again click on auto translate. Now select Arabic or any other language. Now select, and now you see subtitle or closed caption auto translate into Arabic. So you can convert subtitle or closed caption in any language for YouTube video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.